So, Dhananjay, how are you, dear?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, I think your friend Hariharan has told about my tuition, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Just
Hmm.
1 hour ago, let me.
Yeah. He informed me also. So, tomorrow is our last trial class, okay? So, everyone after the trial class, day after tomorrow, in WhatsApp, let me know whether who are all willing to join my tuition. From 1st of June, we will be starting our regular classes, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So now start, all of you take whatever notes you are having at present, and whatever I am teaching you have to write. Then when we will be starting our regular classes, please kindly maintain separate tuition notebooks so that each and everything whatever you are writing will be in proper manner in that notebook. After the class you have to send me. And no shortcut, Hariharan, okay? You have to write each and everything, okay? Don't write only the basic thing, each and everything. It's for your benefit only, not for me, okay?
Okay, ma'am. I'll
Yeah,
follow.
fine, everyone. So whatever I am teaching, try to understand. Whatever doubts you are having, without any hesitation, you can ask me 1,000 times. I'm there to help you out. And you have to write simultaneously so that your concept will also become clear. Okay, let's open. Everyone open the PDF, please. Dhananjay, I hope you are able to see, right? The PDF again I have sent after adding you.
Yeah, ma'am. I saw it.
Yeah, fine. Open that on your screen so that you will be able to write. I will tell you the page number. It's all handwritten notes only. This chapter is really a very big chapter, and lot of concepts are there. Lot of concepts to be covered in this chapter. After this chapter, we will do the goodwill, then admission, retirement, death, everything. Okay, first, Hariharan, you just can you explain in simple words what we did yesterday? Like, can you explain what is the meaning of partnership in your own words? Just unmute yourself. Yesterday we did, right? The Partnership Act 1932.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Our partnership is a relation between two partners in their
Hmm.
business.
Hmm.
According to Indian Partnership Act 2013,
1932,
the
dear.
meaning
A Partnership Act 1932.
1930.
32.
Ma'am, but
Yes?
according to 2013, a minimum partner should be
Yeah, no,
20 and
yeah, but actually, yeah, members, see, how many minimum members and how many maximum members should be there in partnership is defined in Partnership Act Companies Act 2013, but partnership definition is defined by Partnership Act 1932. Both the acts are different and they defined different things, not the same. Understood?
okay.
Yeah,
I get confused.
it's okay.
And
Hmm.
without
Hmm.
if there is no equal share,
Hmm.
no interest on if there is
Hmm.
no deal,
Hmm.
we
Hmm.
need to have equal share,
Hmm.
no interest on capital.
Hmm.
Um,
Yeah, all those are, you are saying about rules applicable, dear. See, what I am asking, I am asking you just to explain in your own words about partnership. Okay, yesterday we did not, that's what I am asking. So don't get confused. Okay, no issue. We will do a quick revision. Okay, because Dhananjay has also joined newly. First we will do a quick revision, then we will move forward. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so Lakshit, Hariharan and Dhananjay. Once again you listen, okay? Fine, and start writing, dear, please. Dhananjay, you are having one notebook and pen with you?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, you have to write everything, whatever I am teaching, okay? So, see, what is happening in Partnership Act 1932? They are saying that partnership is the relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profit of the business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Now, what is the meaning of this definition? What this definition says? Whenever any partnership business is started, there should be more than one person, because if there is only one person, then it is sole proprietorship, which you must have studied in class 11th. When there is more than one person, minimum 2, maximum 50 members, and they have agreed to start a partnership business. Now what happens? Suppose there are 4 members. They all came together and they want to start a partnership business. Now all the 4, they will first invest their capital, because before starting any business we need to invest capital in our business. Without capital we cannot start any business. Initially we have to invest some amount, then with the help of that we will earn profits later on. So suppose out of that 4 members who agreed to start a partnership business, like 2 members, they are saying that we will look after the business, we will give our maximum time, we will work hard, we will do all the business activities like purchasing goods, then selling to customers, all the business expenses, everything we will look after. The other 2, they says it is not possible for us to come and spend lot of time in doing these activities, but we will also invest the capital in the business, but we want share in profit. Whatever profit you are earning, you have to give us the share. We will be at our home, but you have to pay us, you have to pay the profit whatever the business is earning. And suppose any major decisions are taken related to business, again you have to include us also. We will be also there in the meeting if any important major decisions are taken. And this is what the Partnership Act 1932 says. Yes, this is right. Suppose, because they have invested capital, once the members or partners invested capital, they have all the rights in the business. Other partner cannot say that yes, you invested capital but you are not working hard to run the business. We are working hard, so we will not pay you anything or we will pay you less. No. Partnership Act 1932 says even if 2 partners invested capital but they are not taking active part, only other 2 are carrying the business, running the business, still whatever profit they are earning, the other 2 partners have their rights in that profit and also in the important decisions. That is the meaning of this definition. So the other 2 partners cannot say that we will not pay you the profit much because you didn't take active part in working the business or running the business. So understood what is the definition of this partnership as per 1932 Partnership Act? Yes? Any doubt? Please reply, dear. Is it clear to you, Hariharan, Dhananjay, Lakshit, or you are having any doubt to be asked?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Fine. Any doubt, anytime ask me. Do not hesitate, dear students. I am telling you repeatedly, don't hesitate. Because I want you to score excellent marks.
Okay.
Do not hesitate. From T.S. Kirwal book, okay, let me know how many questions you have practiced, Hariharan, Dhananjay, Lakshit. In your school, 3 chapters they have finished, right? So each and every question from T.S. Garewal, have you practiced or not?
Ma'am, I have
Yes?
first chapter half only I have done. Ma'am.
Okay, fine, Dhananjay. What about Hariharan and Lakshit? Tell me, dear. What about you?
Ma'am, first chapter booklet from what I have done. Ma'am.
Okay, fine. What about Lakshit?
Ma'am, some
Yes?
of the questions I have completed, ma'am.
Okay. So I just want to ask why you didn't do the full, because you are not giving time for accounts, you're not practicing, or you don't know how to solve the sums. What is the reason?
And we are
Hmm.
don't know how to solve the problem. We are
You
not clear.
Okay, the concept is not clear to you. And if you ask in your school, like your accounts teacher, they will not help you. Like suppose you're stucking somewhere, you're not able to understand anything. He or she, I don't know, they will not help you.
They will help, ma'am, but currently accounts teachers are changing, ma'am.
Oh,
They are
that.
not fit.
Oh, that's really a big problem if they are changing in 12th. Okay, fine. Okay, no issues. What I'm telling, anyways, tomorrow is the last trial class. After that, from 1st June, we will be starting our regular classes. So, I will clear each and every concept, okay? A few sums also, I will make you understand conceptual sums. After that, once you understand the chapter thoroughly, each and every sum, you have to practice from T.S. Garewal. Wherever you are struggling, like just now Hariharan said, he don't understand the concept, that's why the sums he couldn't solve. So once I finish the chapter, you have to solve each and everything. If you are struggling, send me the question, and where you are struggling in WhatsApp, I will help you out, because each and every sum in TS Garewal is very important, dear. Okay, you have to solve, and from beginning if you focus, I can guarantee you can score excellent marks in your boards. Believe me, just believe, ma'am. Have trust in me. If you practice, if you work hard from now, last moment you no need to worry, you will be thoroughly prepared and you can score excellent marks beyond your imagination, just believe me. So from now onward, start working on it. I am there now to help you out. Wherever you are struggling, send me the question, I will explain each and everything. Okay, is it okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So after that, now we are moving to next. So Companies Act 2013 defines the members. How many members should be there in partnership business? Minimum partners should be 2, maximum partners should be 50. And Companies Act is only defining this 2013. I hope till here everything is clear and you all are writing. You have to write and send me after the class. Each and every class, after each and every class, I want to see the notes from each one of you. Okay? Next. Okay. Next, terms and conditions. Now, partnership deed is very important. Okay. Now, what is this partnership deed? See, partnership deed means it is a written agreement between the partners who have agreed to start the business. Whoever have agreed to start the partnership business, what they will do? They will have a written agreement among them, so that in future disputes may not arise. For example, just orally, if suppose 4 partners decided to start a partnership business, orally they spoke that you will get this much share in profit, you will get this much share, I will get this much, and they are just orally discussing that interest on capital will be 5%, interest on drawing will be 10%, you will get salary, I will get bonus, he will get commission. All these oral discussion, no written agreement. 100% in future they all will fight with each other, and there are chances the business may be closed down due to their fights. In order to avoid all these things, it is always preferable to have a written agreement before starting partnership business. so that in future if any disputes arises, that written agreement is a proof that already we have discussed this, so now he will get profit this much or interest this much. So it is always preferable but not compulsory. In partnership it is not compulsory to have written agreement always. If the partners are agreeing to have oral discussion and starting the business, it is okay, but not preferable. Oral agreement is always not at all preferable. Written agreement is always preferable. That written agreement among the partners before starting any business is called partnership deed. Now what will be there in that partnership deed? What are the things like profit? Each partner will get how much profit, that will be written. Reserve, suppose partners have decided to create some amount to meet the future losses from the profit, they will write that also, like 5% out of profit or 2% out of profit reserve should be created. Reserves are created basically to meet unexpected losses in future. Out of profit only reserves are created. Suppose the business suffers losses, then no reserve will be created, because if the business earns profit, out of that profit only reserves are created. Interest on capital. Before starting any business, partners, they must have invested capital in the business. So in that capital business will pay them interest. So they will get interest on capital, all the partners. That will also be decided by the partners, and in that written agreement they have to mention how much interest on capital will be provided. Interest on drawing, again partners will take money from the business for personal use, that is only drawings, and now business will ask interest. Business will say you have to pay interest on drawing. For that also, written in written agreement they will mention the rate, percentage, how much interest on drawing should be charged by the business from the partners. Now drawings, see, because so in order to meet the personal expenses, what the partners need to do, they have to withdraw some amount every month, or to after 2-3 months from the business they will take some amount for personal use. For that purpose they have to decide whether they are going to take the amount on regular basis or they will be taking the amount on irregular basis. For example, 3-4 months, once for 3-4 months, everything they have to make the decision. All these things are mentioned in this deed. So terms and conditions, that is partnership deed, is clear. Dhananjay, Hariharan?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, I hope Lakshit, he is having lot of network issue. He is joining and leaving. Now he left, I think, right? He is not there now, Lakshit?
Now he joined, ma'am.
Okay. So
Now he left.
okay, fine. So now this is extremely important topic which we are going to learn now. Extremely important. Rules applicable in absence of partnership deed. As I told you, many times the partner, they do the oral discussions, everything they decide orally. They don't make any written agreement. They enter into the business and they start running the business. So that is only rules applicable in absence of partnership deed. Means suppose any partnership business is done by the partners without partnership deed, they didn't have any written agreement, then Partnership Act 1932 has some rules that should be followed by the partners. It is mandatory, compulsory. Those who have entered into partnership business without having partnership deed, just orally they spoke, discussed and entered, for them these rules are extremely important. They have to follow, because these rules are set by Partnership Act 1932, which they have to obey. They have to follow these rules. So when we will be doing our practical questions, extremely these rules will be applicable there. So try to understand each and everything thoroughly. So while doing the sums, it will help you a lot. See, profit and losses to be shared equally. Now, profits and losses, like suppose the business is earning 100 rupees profit, for example, and there are two partners, A and B. Now, this profit should be shared among the partners. In absence of partnership deed, these rules are applicable. They don't have any partnership deed, and suppose they want to share in 3:2. This is the ratio. Okay, but they can't share in 3:2 because there is no partnership deed. So the Partnership Act says when you didn't have any partnership deed, that is written agreement, whatever profit or whatever loss the business is having, you have to share equally. Like 100 rupees, A will get 50 rupees, B will get 50 rupees. Even though they, A and B, both these partners discussed that they will share the profit or loss in 3:2, but they can't share in that ratio in absence of partnership deed. So 50-50 each one of them will get. Same rule applies for loss. For profit or loss, whatever happens in business, they have to share equally instead of the discussed ratio. I hope it's clear. Yes, Dhananjay?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now second, no interest on capital will be provided. Again, extremely important point. Suppose there is no partnership deed between the partners. They didn't have any written agreement before starting the business and they now started the business. Now again, what will happen? Interest on, suppose A and B two partners, B will say, okay, now out of the profit, give me 5% interest on my capital. A will say, no, you are not going to get a single rupee interest on capital. Disputes may arise. B will ask why. We have already discussed now that we will be getting this much. Now A will say no, but the Partnership Act 1932 rules are applicable in absence of partnership deed. Since we didn't have any written agreement, orally we discussed everything. We didn't have written agreement. Partnership deed is missing. Due to that, I and you, both of us, will not get a single rupee interest on capital. So you have to remember, extremely important. Each and every rule is extremely important. Yes, Hariharan, you want to say something, dear?
There's no check message that we have some internet issue.
Okay.
So we can't access.
Okay, lot of network issue he is having. Okay, dear. Now next, we are moving to third. No interest on drawing will be charged. The same rule applies for drawing. The partners may withdraw some money from the business for personal use. So business also cannot charge interest on drawing. Business cannot ask the partners, pay interest on drawing. The rule says, Partnership Act 1932 rules are applicable in absence of partnership deed. That rule says whenever there is no partnership deed, interest on drawing will also not charged by the business. Business cannot ask interest on drawing from the partners. Any doubt so far? Hariharan, Dhananjay, anything you are not able to understand so far, whatever I taught?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, it's clear. Dhananjay, are you able to understand my way of teaching, dear? It's okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now next, no salary, bonus, commission will be provided. What is the meaning of this particular line? See, in absence of partnership deed, no partner. Suppose there are 4 partners, 5 partners, 2 partners. None of the partner will get salary, bonus, commission. Okay, no one will get. All these rules are applicable. You have to understand very clearly. These rules, whatever I am saying, is applicable in absence of partnership deed. Suppose in question you will understand everything. When you will solve the questions, they will say partnership deed provides, means these rules are not applicable. Partnership deed provides means you have to understand by reading the question. Okay, means before entering the before starting into the business, all the partners already made partnership deed. Then you have to follow the whatever the deed says, whatever percentage of interest they are saying, the deed says you have to give that percentage. Interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary, bonus, everything partner will get if partnership deed says. Sometime if you have to read the question very carefully. Sometime you will read there is no partnership deed, in absence of partnership deed. So now you understand, okay, there is no partnership deed. Then again after that also the question will tell that A will get salary this much, B will get interest on capital, C will get bonus. What you will do in that type of questions, you have to write a small note that in absence of partnership deed, Partnership Act 1932 rules are applicable. According to this rule, no salary, bonus, commission will be paid to the partner in absence of partnership deed. This you have to write as a small note. And this says that you are not going to give any salary, bonus, commission to any partner, even though in the question they are saying to give in absence of partnership deed. In accounts, the main thing is that you have to understand the question. 2 times, 3 times you have to read. There will be twist. In each and every question in accounts, you will have a twist. Once you understand, you can easily solve. First, the concept. Concept should be clear. Second, practice. Extremely lot of practice is needed. Every day you have to practice. Third, question. Whenever you appear for any exam, school exam or boards, question reading should be very clear. You have to understand. There will be twist in accounts. In each and every question you will find some twist. If you just don't read, you ignore that twist, question will go wrong. That's the main problem. Now next, interest on loan to be provided at the rate of 6% per annum. Extremely important point. In many times while solving the practical questions, you will find there is no partnership deed, they will mention in the question. And you will find that suppose A, B, there are two partners. Suppose A has given loan to the business 1 lakh, 2 lakh, whatever. The date will be also given in the question that on 1st April or on 1st July, A has given loan to business, or loan taken by A from business. Both means the same. The language you have to understand that A is a partner, he has given loan to the business. Now the question already told you there is no partnership deed. In that case, what you have to do? Some other rate of interest will be given, 10%, 12%. If you don't read that particular line that there is no partnership deed, what you will do? Simply you will provide that 10%, 12%, whatever given in question, entire question will go wrong. That's the reason I am telling each and every word in accounts, reading question is very important. You have to read very nicely and understand. So if you read properly, you will come to know there is no partnership deed. Once you come to know, even then if the question tells you provide 12% interest, provide 10% interest, you should not provide. Suppose the interest loan is, suppose the loan amount is 1 lakh. A has given loan to business on 1st April. 31st March we are going to close the book of accounts. So for one complete year we will be calculating interest on that loan which the partner has given to the business. Business needs to pay interest on that loan to that partner. How you will calculate? You have to take 6% only. 1 lakh multiplied by 6%, not the percentage given in question. When you will apply this rule? When the question tells you there is no partnership deed. Suppose the question tells you partnership deed provides, then 10%, 12%, even 20%. Whenever the deed tells you that percentage on 1 lakh, you have to calculate. Till here any doubt? Anything you are not able to understand till here?
No, ma'am, clear.
Okay, fine. What about Dhananjay?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Are you writing everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, after the class send me. Now we are moving to next. That is 7th. What is 7th topic? Partnership accounting. Now what is this partnership accounting? In class 11th you all must have studied about sole proprietorship. The only one owner. So whatever profit he earns, he will enjoy. Whatever losses the business bears, he needs to borne alone. Now in partnership what happens? We are going to prepare some new accounts which you must have not prepared in class 11, that is in sole proprietorship. So here what you are going to learn, or what you have to prepare in this partnership accounting, what are the different accounts we are going to learn? PL appropriation account. We are going to learn how to prepare PL appropriation account and how to solve the questions. Then partners capital account we need to prepare. Then partners current account. Then balance sheet. All these three things we are going to learn one by one. Now, PL appropriation account. What is that account? Why we are preparing this account? In class 11th, sole proprietorship, you used to prepare a trading account. From trading account, you will get gross profit. After that, you will prepare profit and loss account. That gross profit you will carry to PL account in the credit side. From PL account, you will get net profit. Finally, this net profit you will take to balance sheet and add in capital. Suppose net loss, you will subtract from capital. This is what you used to do in 11th. Now in 12th, what you are going to do? Same. First trading account, but here you don't have to prepare any trading account. Already net profit will be given in your question. Whatever question you are solving in this particular chapter, net profit you will find. Whenever they will ask you to prepare PL appropriation account, in the question itself they will give you net profit or net loss of the business. So no need to prepare any trading or PL account in class 12. But what you have to prepare after net profit, that is after PL account, now you are going to prepare PL appropriation account. This account is the nominal account. What is the rule for nominal account? You have to debit all the expenses and losses. You have to credit all the income and gain. Means when you are preparing PL appropriation account, in the debit side of this account, you will write expenses and losses. In the credit side, you will write all the incomes and gains. Now, what type of expenses, what type of income you are going to write in PL appropriation account? That is extremely important. We are going to write only those expenses which we are going to pay out of the net profit. When I am saying net profit means already given in question, it has come from PL account. So out of that net profit, whatever you are going to pay to the partners, that will come in the debit side of PL appropriation account. Again, listen very, very carefully. I am not talking about any manager. I am not talking about any employee. Suppose any employee, they are getting any salary, that will go in PL account. That will not come in PL appropriation account. Suppose any manager, he is getting any commission for the work done by him, that manager's commission will also go in the debit side of PL account. It will not come in the PL appropriation account. Only those expenses which are paid by the business to partners. Remember very, very nicely. Those expenses which needs to be paid only when the business earns profit. You can write in your own words whatever I am saying if possible for you. I am telling in PL appropriation account, only those expenses comes on the debit side which the business pays out of the net profit to the partners. Here nothing will come which we are paying to manager or employee. All those expenses will go in the PL account, not in PL appropriation account. So what item will come in the debit side of PL appropriation account? For example, any amount of salary paid to any partner. Partner. I am saying any salary paid to any partner, that will come. Any bonus, commission paid to any partner, that will come debit side of PL appropriation account. Suppose interest on capital is paid by the business to the partners. Partners I am saying. So listen carefully. You can write it down in your own words for better understanding. That will also come in the debit side of PL appropriation account. Any reserve created, because reserves are always created out of the net profit. Okay, if the business earns profit, then only reserves are created. Suppose business suffer losses any of the year, reserves are not created. One more extremely important point about PL appropriation account is, suppose in few questions you will find while doing the practical problems, they will give net loss. They will give in the question net loss, suppose 1 lakh. And again the question will tell you, suppose A and B, there are two partners. A will get salary, B will get bonus, all these they will give. But always remember, if possible, write it down as important note. Whenever the business suffers loss, no profit, no salary, no commission, no bonus, no interest on capital will be provided to the partners. Partners, again I am telling, partners will get salary, bonus, commission, anything only out of the profit. If the business suffers loss, from where business will give? Partners are the owners of the business. They deserve the profit. But even if the business suffers loss, partners needs to bring or compensate that loss from their home. How they will compensate that loss? From where business will give them all the salary and all? So remember this, whenever their net loss is given, partner will get nothing. And reserve, it is impossible to create reserve. Reserve is also created out of the profit only. Are you understanding, Dhananjay, Hariharan, or you are feeling difficulties in understanding?
Understanding, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Any doubts? Yes, Hariharan, any doubt, dear? Okay, fine. So very important concept. And this PL appropriation account is mainly prepared to distribute the profit among the partners. Okay, whatever the net profit, out of that net profit, first the expenses that needs to be paid to the partners, then whatever amount left, that is divisible profit. Out of that, partner will get their share. Now next, partners capital account. We will learn everything, how to prepare partners capital account and partners current account. Actually capital accounts are of mainly two types, fixed, fluctuating, everything we will be learning. Now balance sheet. After that we are coming to main features of partnership business. What are the main features of this partnership business? Two or more persons should be there. If there is only one person, it is not a partnership business. It is a sole proprietorship business. So in order to have a partnership business or carry out a partnership business, two persons minimum required. Maximum we learned 50. Now agreement. In order to start any partnership business, we have to have an agreement, maybe oral or written. Written agreement is known as partnership deed. Oral or written agreement is compulsory. Just two persons coming, joining together and starting a business is impossible. They should have agreement between them regarding salary, bonus, commission, sharing profit in which ratio, interest on capital, interest on drawing, all these things they should have some agreement among them before starting business. Existence of business, obviously partnership business means they should have some business, they should have some idea what business they are going to start. So there should be some existence of business, any business, grocery shop, medicine shop, mobile shop, anything, but there should be any business existing. And profit motive, social motive. Suppose some partners, they are joining together and they are agreeing to carry out a NPO. It is not a partnership business. Partnership business means always profit motive. All the partners, 4 or 5 or 2, even 2 partners, they have agreed among themselves and they have started a business, means their motive is profit. They have started a particular business to earn profit, not to do any social service. If partners, they have decided to do social service, it is not at all a partnership business. It will not come under this. Next, because in 1 marks they may ask you anything, okay. This theory they are not going to ask you for 5 or 6 marks. Maximum all the practical questions you will get, but like that multiple choice, indirectly, directly, chances are there to ask. to have to give you a twist. So what I am saying, like in this is the first chapter, I will give you many theory, but from next chapter I will not give you that much theory. So it's always preferable to read each and everything from your book, the theoretical portion, because in your multiple choice, I'm talking only about boards, there are chances they will give this theory in 1 marks question. So if you understand each and everything, then only you will be able to answer that. So here next, sharing of profit. Obviously, when 2 or more partners are entering into business, they have to share whatever the profit is earned by the business, or even if losses, that needs to be borne by the partners. Relationship of principal and agent. Now what is the meaning of this principal and agent? What is this? Suppose there are 4 partners, okay, all the 4 partners are equal. Like among that 4, one will not say I am your boss, you all are my servant. No, all are boss, all are servant. If a situation, like in a business, suppose a situation comes where they have to become servant, all 4 will become servant. If there is a situation where all the 4 needs to become boss, they all will together become the boss. That is the meaning of principal and agent. Any one partner, they can't say I am your boss, you are my servant. All are investing capital, all are having equal rights, all are going to work hard, all are going to enjoy the profit or borne the loss. So here it is not I am your boss, you are my servant. That is the meaning of relationship of principal and agent. Okay, each one of you can't dominate the others, all are equal only here. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next, business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. As I told you before also, suppose there are 4 partners, out of that 4, 2 are working hard for the business, running the business activities, seeing day-to-day activities, everything they are doing. Other 2, they are sitting at home, but they have invested capital. So what they are saying, that even in that case also, okay, in that case also, the 2 who are working, they are acting for the other 2. Okay, it's the business is carried by all. The 2 who is working, they can't say that you are sitting at home, we are carrying the business, we are working hard, you will not get share in profit, or you will get less share, or we will not include you in any major decisions we are taking in our business. No. Partnership Act 1932 says even if 2 of them are at home, due to some unavoidable reason, wantingly they will not stay at home, anyone. So due to some unavoidable reason, then the others 2 who are working, they should be very honest. Whatever the business is earning profit, they should give to them also. Whatever, if suppose business suffer loss, the other 2, they will also have share in loss, because they have invested their capital. So that is the reason, that is the meaning of this line. Business carried on by all the 4, they are together working for the business, or any of them acting for all, or any one may also work, other 3 may do some other things, but they do not come regularly to work in the business. Under that situation also, they should get their share of profit, they should be involved in all the major decisions of the business. Any doubts so far, dear Hariharan, Dhananjay? Anything you want to ask?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Why no doubts? You are understanding everything. You don't have any doubt to ask, Dhananjay?
Ma'am, this chapter I have tried some questions, ma'am. For starting till P&L appropriation, I have understood, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine, no issues. And what about Hariharan? Yes, dear?
It was clear, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay, fine. Fine, dear. No separate existence. Now, what is the meaning of this line? No separate existence. No separate existence means, like in company, you must have studied in 11th. In company is a different, it is a separate legal entity, it is an artificial person. Owners are different, company is different. So in this way, in partnership business, it is not like that. Partnership business is not separate from its owners. Both are same. Like company, they are not the same. They are different here. But always remember, when we are preparing accounts, we are preparing for business, not for owner. Even in partnership, even though both are same, owners and business is same in partnership, they don't have any separate legal existence, but still, whenever we are preparing accounts, we have to think as business, and we have to prepare from business point of view only. All the accounts are prepared, not from owner's point of view. Now next, I hope all have written till here. Yes, you have written till here. Okay. Now ninth, rights of a partner. Every partner has the right to share profit or losses with other partners in the agreed ratio. Now what are the rights of a partner? Each and every partner, whoever have entered into partnership business, they have the right. Whatever business is earning profit, they will get share in that, or if losses, they will bear that loss with other partners in the agreed ratio. Like before starting the business, they must have agreed 3:2:1. Suppose three partners, or suppose two partners A and B, 3:2. They must have agreed some ratio. In that ratio, they will share the profit or loss. That is their right. No one can deny their right. Now second, I have used few like short forms, but please you don't use, because teacher will cut your marks. You have to write always the full form. Don't follow me for writing shortcuts and all. EP means every partner I have written. You should write every partner. Don't write EP. So every partner has the right to take part in the conduct of business. What is the meaning of this? Every partner has a right to take part in the conduct of business. Means day-to-day activity, whatever the business is, whatever is done in the business, each and every partner has the right to take part in the important managerial decisions. Each and every partner has the right to take part while they take the important management decisions related to the business. Now next, EP again, every partner has the right to be consulted in the matters related to partnership business. Suppose any changes the other partners wants to bring in the business, or any important meeting, any important management decisions they are taking, in that each and every partner, they has the right. They have to consult everyone. For example, suppose there are four partners in a partnership business. Among those four, one partner wants to bring his friend into the partnership business as a partner. He cannot take his own decision without asking rest of the three partners, and he cannot just make his friend join in that business. No. What he has to do, he has to take the consent of all the other three. He has to ask whether you three agree. I have a friend and he is interested in this business. He wants to join. He will ask in this way. Suppose out of that three, two of them are okay. Okay, you just bring your friend. We can expand our business because he will also bring some capital. Fine, no issue. But the one, he is not interested. He says, no, no, no. We four of them are enough, because again, profit we will get less. We have to pay him also profit in this way. Then he cannot bring, because bringing a new partner into the business is a major decision. For that, all the four needs to be agreed. Even if the one person says no, means no. Majority never wins in this type of major decisions. Understood? Hariharan, Dhananjay, are you understanding?
Understood.
Yeah. Okay. Now next. Every partner has the right to inspect and have copy of book of accounts. So book of accounts will be maintained by the partners. Any partner can check, can inspect the book of accounts. That is their right. Other partners cannot say, don't check, don't inspect, you don't have the right. No. Each and every partner has equal rights. They can check, they can inspect the book of accounts maintained by the business. It is their right. Next, fifth point. We are in fifth point. Every partner has the right to disallow admission. As I told you just now, the disallow admission of a new partner. Out of 4, even if one partner says, no, I don't want the new partner to come into our business, then other 3 should obey him. Because here majority never wins. Here consent of each and every partner is very important when a new partner needs to be admitted here. That is the meaning of this point. Fifth point. I hope till 5th everyone is writing everything. Okay. You have to write, dear. Each and everyone, please write everything and send me after the class. Don't sit idly. Accounts is full of practical paper. Never sit idly. Now next. 6th point. We are in 6th point. Every partner is the joint owner of partnership property. Like in partnership business, there will be some property assets of the business, plant and machinery, land and building, furniture, fixtures. All these are assets, property of the business. Each and every partner is the joint owner. Like among 4 partners, no partner can say you don't have right in this property. Each and every partner has the right in that particular property of the business. 7th point. Every partner has right to retire from firm after giving proper notice. You can't force any partners to stay forever. Each and every partner, they has the rights to leave any time, but any time it doesn't mean that now a partner will decide and he will say from now onwards I am not going to come. No, they have to give the proper notice, maybe before 3 months, before 2 months, that I am not going to come after 3 months or 2 months. Proper notice a partner needs to be given to the firm before leaving, and they have the right to retire. No compulsion. They can retire anytime, but after giving proper notice, they will retire. Till here, anyone is having any doubt? Yes, Hariharan, Dhananjay, anything you didn't understand?
Understood.
Oh.
Included in partnership deal.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, that notice would be included in partnership deal
No dear, no, because notice cannot be included in partnership deed. Na, see, partnership deed you can fix the salary every month, how much the partner will get, or any bonus commission which the partner will get, interest on capital, all these you can fix before starting. But how you will come to know when you are going to leave? Because when you join any business, any company, any office, will you plan that after 5 years, 10 years I will leave? No, nobody thinks like that, right? Once we join, we will think we have to get promotion, we have to grow in our life in that way, in our career. So this cannot be included in partnership deed. Okay, once the business is started, suppose after 2 years, 3 years, any partner due to some unavoidable reason, he don't want to continue, it may be health issue, family problem, or shifting to some new place, anything may happen in our life, na? So due to that uncertainty, he want to discontinue. During that time, he needs to give notice, proper notice, 2 months, 3 months before. Then he can leave the firm, retire from the firm. Yes, understood, dear?
Yeah.
Now it's clear, I hope, right? I hope till here we will keep for today, and tomorrow we will start the next topic. Page number 4 tomorrow I will start, okay?
Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you, dear. Send me the notes, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear.